Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist here. I'll kind of snuggle myself into my Loquat tree, which is about 25 feet tall. And Loquats, the fruit are great, but the leaves are amazing for making tea and will do your body good. There's no doubt about it. Great for diabetes, great for stress, great for anxiety, great for weight loss. And I'll get into all that in a minute. So if you really want to do yourself a lot of good, you should be making some Loquat leaf tea. It's amazing. And it grows all over the world, in Asia, China. In fact, in China, they use it, it's approved specifically for diabetes, and it does a great job of lowering blood sugar and helping with all the side effects. And it grows all over the place in Asia, in Japan, in China, Korea, Philippines, Sri Lanka, India, Europe, Lebanon, Turkey, Pakistan, the U.S. I've even seen them in California, Florida, and just about any climate. Here in the tropics, it does a great job all over the Caribbean, and it will grow like a weed, actually, tell you the truth. And unfortunately, we had a big rain with a really hard storm, and it knocked off a lot of the buds that were coming on, and so we're not going to get much of a crop this year of nice fruit, but we got the leaves, which are really great. Other names are Erythroba jopokia. I'll put that down below so you can see it. That's the Latin name. Also medlar and Japanese plum and Chinese plum and many other names that are really common, and this is a wonderful, wonderful fruit, and I love them. There's kind of like apricots. They look a little bit like apricots, and they have a wonderful flavor. I think that they're a tropical apricot in my mind anyway. Also great for weight loss, and makes a great appetite suppressor, and has a powerful agents in it that help suppress cravings, and really does, studies show that it really does help to suppress the appetite, and fat forming agents also, so it helps to suppress the formation of fat. So very interesting. Great for type 1 and type 2 diabetes. It helps to lower down the blood sugar, and really great in lots of different studies for all kinds of problems associated with blood sugar being high also. But there's more studies to be done on that. It's great for anti-inflammatory agent, great for arthritis, great for any kind of allergic reaction as far as that goes. Also, it contains uracilic acid, helps the lungs get rid of inflammation also, and great for asthma, bronchitis, and those type of things. You can take one of these leaves, cut it up into thumbnail size, bits, and put it into a cup, add some hot water, and let it steep for 15 minutes, and drink that 2 or 3 times a day. Does a great job. Great as an expectorant, and also cough medicine too, and to get rid of the mucus and loosen up the mucus, and so really does a good job of that. Also great for stress and anxiety, and everybody's got stress and anxiety these days, and it's really great. In Japan, they call it the biwa chia, and they drink it 2 or 3 times a day, and great for the body and great for stress in general. Also great for the GI tract. It's great for indigestion, stomach aches, diarrhea. Helps with gas and belching and nausea and the hiccups even, I say. Well, holding your breath and breathing deeply also helps with that too. It boosts up your immune system. Loquats are great for boosting up your immune system. They have a lot of antioxidants in them, and it helps to get rid of those free radicals, which are doing your body, bad news. There's no doubt about that. Also, detoxing the body in general, and known for preventing disease and also extending life in China and Japan, and boosting up the immune system in general. Contains, like I said, lots of antioxidants and lots of polyphenols, and helps repair DNA damage, and helps with the cardiovascular problems like heart attacks and strokes, and preventing those. Great liver detoxing agent. and it also helps to get rid of toxins in the body in general. And it's possibly due to all the antioxidants it contains, really a lot of that. It also helps with scarring of the liver. If you have liver cirrhosis, that's really important. It helps with that too. Also, heals the skin, and you can get skin creams that have loquat leaf in it, and helps with edema and redness, and it's an antihistamine also at the same time, so it helps with getting rid of all the challenges of allergic reactions in general. Also helps with eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis in general. Lowers cholesterol and triglycerides, so that's a really great thing. And a lot of people have high cholesterol, and taking this tea on a regular basis will really do a good job. Great for strong bones. It has a lot of agents to help with osteoporosis also, and strengthens the skeletal system in general. Also, it's an antiviral agent, and it has a few really powerful compounds that kill viruses that get into your body, and also good for HIV and anti-cancer also at the same time. Like I said, it's anti-cancer and suppresses the cells from actually proliferating, and stops tumor growth, and more studies to be done on that also. It contains a lot of potassium and calcium for strong bones. Also phosphorus for water regulation and brain function also. Lots of vitamin A, vitamin C, powerful antioxidant. It tastes sweet and earthy and mild, and a little bit of competition up there with a jet going over. You can add a little stevia or a little bit of honey if you like. You can buy it in dried leaves and powders and capsules and tablets and teas and oils and creams, ointments, even buy the plants. You can get those on eBay and Amazon, and I found all of these on Amazon and eBay, and a lot of times even your health food store will have it because it's so common, so popular. And these things are prolific. I mean, once you get that going, they shoot up like crazy, and they give you lots and lots of fruit every year. Finding, like I said, you go on Amazon and eBay and all the different places, and then find even the trees itself. Like I said, making the tea, take a large leaf, cut it up, put it into a cup, add some hot water, let it steep for 15 minutes, and drink 2 or 3 times a day for no more than about 7 to 10 days. Don't use metal cups because this tea will interact with them and change, or metal tea infusers also, but kind of interacts with the metal. Use, glass, that's the best thing, or ceramic, that type of thing. Take 2 or 3 cups daily for 7 to 10 days, and in powdered form, 3 to 5 grams daily. Cost is very cheap. 250 grams is about $20, not very much at all. And side effects, there's only been 1 reported case of anybody having a side effect of any kind with this tea, and that person was taking a bunch of stuff, so they're not even sure if it was actually this loquat in the first place. So, but I recommend you, if you're pregnant or nursing or small children, not to take it. Always be on the safe side. Always heal with food first. If you want to get a hold of me, my phone number is 831-869-9119. 831-869-9119. My email address is drpaulhaider@gmail. That's drpaulhaider@gmail.com. Also, my Skype address is drpaulhaider. If you want to Skype me, you can text me, you can WhatsApp me with that phone number also. And if you care to do a consultation, I ask for a $50 donation, and we can get you on the road to really healing and feeling great. And if you want to do a consultation with your spouse, that's fine. We can do it together. So let's make you healthy, and let's get you on the road to really feeling great. And try some wonderful loquat tea. It really does a great job, and I've been using it for a long, long time, and I really feel it's one of the ones that everybody should be trying on a regular basis. And try it, like I said, for 7 to 10 days, and then move on to give it a week off or 10 days off, and then come back and use it again. So have a wonderful day. Remember God, and remember, I love you.